advised by a crew member. You will also find 4 life rafts located in marked compartments. 2 are located in the ceiling compartments in the forward cabin, and 2 are in the ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings. All 8 exits are marked with overhead signs. Please look around and locate the 2 exits nearest your seat. The closest exit may be behind you. In an emergency, leave all carry-on bags behind. Exit path lights will guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate you have reached the exit. If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others. You will find a life vest equipped with a water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If present, remove the strap from around the pouch, tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head, wrap the belt around your waist, and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking e-cigarettes and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying lavatory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all lighted signs, placards, and crew member instructions.
All the stuff underneath the seats.
We will be taking off soon. Once again, please make sure your large personal electronic devices are unplugged from the outlet. Turn your seatbelts are securely fastened. Food or beverage items must be collected or put away for departure. Thanks again for flying with us. I will be back with more details about today's flight once we are in the air. Welcome to the friendly sky.
All your bags are, yeah, they can see them sitting right next to you.
I'm going to be floating today. Every time the plane drops, I'm going to push up and Where are you on my runway?
No, we're not.
So